Come with me to breakfast in the Garden of Eden.
It's a walk to breakfast. It's nice because we get to walk through the botanical garden every single day.
I just got whacked by a mango tree.
Past the bamboo trees, through the helicoниas. Now we have some breakfast. So this is a little mixed salad. This is chico zapote, jackfruit and cashew fruit, salsa, and some fresh corn tortillas. So I have this every day, and everything's from the land, which is great. Oh, and some coffee as well. This is from the land too. So.
What would you rate this breakfast?